Scientific discovery is more than collecting data in laboratories and field sites. It is also about sharing ideas, defending evidence, and engaging in meaningful academic discussion. Welcome to the course Seminars in Biodiversity 2, a course offered by the Master Program of Biodiversity at National Taiwan University. Through presentations, peer discussions, and research proposal development, students learn how to transform their thesis into a meaningful research proposal. Seminars in Biodiversity 2 is a required course in the Master Program in Biodiversity. The course focuses on student-centered learning through a student research presentations. Unlike traditional lecture-based courses, this seminar emphasizes active participation. Students are expected not only to present their ideas, but also to critically evaluate scientific research and engage in constructive discussion with peers and instructors.
It is a time for you to share your research, your own research, your thinking, your experience, and your finding to the peer. And your peer will give you some feedback. Maybe that is really valuable, maybe that is what you didn't think about it, and I will also give you some feedback that you can bring up and think deeply and discuss with peer and your advisor to revise your research, your thesis better and better. So it is a time for you to share your research to me and peers. As doing the research, always share your idea to peer. It will help you to think deeply. And in these courses, you will have like 2 oral presentation. The first one is your motivation about how to do the research, including the literature review from all of the article you have read it and try to translate into why you need to do this kind of research. That is a kind of the research gap. And the second presentation will go deeply. That is a research proposal. You need to design your own research methodologies and maybe come up with your preliminary results, and you can share some result finding and discuss this. So each of the students will have 2 oral presentation, and in the final, you will have your written report. So these courses, I would like every student to have the ability to learn how to do the research and how to read the paper and share your idea to peer.
Besides sharpening my presentation skills and learning how to create a research proposal, another thing that I was able to gain from the course is to create a timely timeline with my advisor on doing my actual research and get a head start on organizing all the parts of my research, and also even get a head start on writing my thesis, which is due as a report at the end of the semester.
In this seminar, I learned how to critically analyze scientific papers, prepare presentation, and also to prepare my own research.
Yeah, I think seminars too gave us a lot of important experiences, and I think the primary one is sharpening our presentation skills. So in the class, we were able to present 2 times in front of the class and receive feedback on our literature review as well as our entire research proposal, and that allowed us to really learn how to condense our information in within 20 minutes and also receive critical feedback from our peers.
The most important experience from this course was presenting in front of the class, in front of my classmates and the professor, and receiving comments, feedbacks, and questions from them. So, to me, it was the first part.
That's also a really good question. I would say seminars too is really good if you want to sharpen your research skills and eventually pursue a career in academia, for example, getting a PhD, because you really lean in on writing your research proposal, your research question, and learning how to synthesize academic papers and academic information.
In the seminars too, I learned how to analyze scientific papers. I learned how to present my own research proposal and also to prepare it. So all of the things help me to improve my communication skills and my research skills. So in the future, I hope to use these skills to improve my career development.
At the end, this course also serves as a preparation for future theses, defenses, and professional academic communication.